Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Murvash Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for tuna salad sandwich. You can make this salad ahead and keep it in your fridge, and whenever you need it you can make sandwich for your kids' school snack, after school snack, or they are great party appetizer as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First we're gonna make our dressing. For that I'm adding mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. I'm using light mayo today, seasoning it with some salt and black pepper. Then I add some Dijon mustard. You can use regular yellow mustard as well. Now I'll add some minced garlic and vinegar. Then I'll add some very finely chopped celery. Then it goes the tuna. So I'm using canned tuna today, and the tuna which comes in a water, you just have to make sure that you drain the water completely. If water goes in a salad, it will change the taste and it turns bad very quickly. Then mix everything well, cover and rest it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then if you want, you can add some chopped onions in your salad as well, but that will make your salad go back so quickly. So I prefer not to add in a salad, but of course I add in a sandwich. I use lettuce, sliced onions and tomatoes, and I use whole wheat bread today. Goes very well with the tuna salad, but it's all totally up to you. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the link to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.